On the surface of it, her question is $1,500. Is it worth it? Absolutely, for the price. Like, that's a fairly low price to charge for, and I think she's got a good case. This is about my roofer wants me to get a public adjuster. I had wind damage and hail damage a few months ago. My roofer said to file a claim. Insurance paid $25,000 but refused to pay for water damage to my kitchen ceiling, saying it was wind-driven rain. I'm sure it was from the torn flashing. I was on the roof stopping the leak. Now the roofer says to hire a PA because insurance is fighting adding flashing, porch roof, and boots to the payout. They also won't add language saying that they'll pay fair market value for required decking. He says a PA might also get gutters covered. The PA charges $1,500 flat. Worth it or no?
A quick question, worth it. First of all, it's rare when PA charges $1,500 flat. Usually it's percentage based, but I see why, because claim is already approved and all the exterior is already paid. So now we're only fighting for interior damage. And exactly to the previous segment point, you know, your roofer is very limited. He cannot discuss the policy. He cannot discuss the damage. Like, you know, if you have a flood, if you have, you know, major problem with the floors, your insurance, your roofer does not know the policy. Does your insurance cover water damage inside? Like, this is 100% question for the PA, and I think it's one of those rare cases when it's not an optional, you just must have PA, because if your insurance company is acting this way and you have a damage, I mean, you have to ask yourself, do I pay out of my pocket or do I hire a lawyer slash PA to fight my insurance company because, you know, I don't have the money, I don't want to fight it.
Man, the more I look at it, the more I read this, it looks like an inexperienced roofer. I mean, because look at what they're asking for. They're asking for flashing, boots. These are
redecking.
Yeah, redecking. These are homeowners.
Reasonable.
Exactly. And as a homeowner, you don't know. These are really basic things. These are city codes. You know, these are city codes. These are manufacturing codes. And as a GC, that's what we have to reference all of what we're doing and why we're doing it. It has to be based on city codes, state codes, or because the manufacturer says something. Decking, flashing, those things are so simple. I wouldn't even need. I think the roofer's probably unqualified. They should call us.
This is all the reason why there has to be some improvement to this process, because it just keeps escalating the arms that we race against each other. Costs are going up, and then homeowners are paying higher premiums, higher deductibles. Insurance companies are leaving. You know, laws are getting more restrictive on all parties, and it's just becoming this like litigious process that shouldn't be so like this.